Adama Griffith at gmail.com. 1:05 p.m., 1 minute ago. To me. It's Zuri. This video is a heavy one. We're talking about random acts of violence. Is this the America many of us dreamed about? One of free speech, safety, and civil debate. In recent years, there have been multiple cases of political violence, shootings, assassination attempts, threats across the ideological spectrum. Not all succeed, but many that are attempted create fear. Leaders have both moral and practical responsibility: what words they use, how they frame dissent, how they speak about opponents. We need to ensure people can speak their beliefs, even controversial ones, but without language that incites violence. Perhaps clearer laws or policies need to be in place about incitement, threats, stronger enforcement of existing laws against threat. One risk is the over-politicization of every tragedy, leading to gridlock rather than action. Another risk is using this event to justify crackdowns on speech under the guise of security. This fear can have chilling effects on civic life: fewer people speaking up, fewer attending public events. Left or right alike may withdraw out of safety concerns. Social media exaggerations can inflame tension further. Let's talk healing and national conversation. There should be an opportunity for open dialogue, acknowledgement that political violence hurts us all, regardless of ideology. Cross-partisan efforts, political leaders, religious leaders, community leaders coming together to call for peace and respect. Rebuilding trust in institutions, media, among people with different beliefs. Is this the America we dreamed about? The America many of us dreamt of is one of freedom, to speak, to debate, to live without fearing that disagreement may cost a life. Many Americans already feel unsafe expressing views that might provoke backlash. Schools, campuses, churches, public forums feel more volatile. For some, this may signal a shift from disagreement to danger. The question becomes, how resilient are our democratic and civic institutions? Can they hold up under this strain? We, as viewers, citizens, community members, have a role. We can demand transparency and accountability. We can support efforts to make public speech safer. We can promote respect, even for people we disagree with. If you believe in free speech, you might also believe in protecting speakers, especially controversial ones, from physical harm. What is the direction of our country? Let this be a wake-up call. Political violence is not just out there. It's creeping closer. Defending democracy isn't passive. It takes courage, vigilance, and collective effort. If you find this discussion important, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments to Zuri's Resilient Network.